Let me show you how you can download free professional sky images to use in the sky replacement tool in Photoshop. You will need to be in the latest version of Photoshop, that is Photoshop 2021 August release at the time of this recording. All you need to do is go into Edit and select Sky Replacement. From here, you'll see the Sky Replacement window. This will use artificial intelligence to replace the sky in your photos. From this dropdown, you have a list of skies that you can use on your image. And to get more skies than the ones that come preloaded in Photoshop, you can click on the gear icon and select Get More Skies. This will open up your browser and take you to a page where you can download more skies. Scroll down and you'll see the different packs: sunsets, spectacular, night skies, blue skies, and storms. Click on the download button to download the pack that you want. Click on Save. Go back into Photoshop, and from the drop-down, click on the gear icon and select Import Skies from Sky Presets. The file that you download from Adobe is a .sky file. You can select it and click on Load, and it will load those skies into Photoshop. You can now click on the images in this pack and apply them to your image. And if you want to learn what all the sliders and controls in this panel do, make sure that you watch this video. I cover everything on the sky replacement tool, and I also show you how to replace sky on video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you again in the next Photoshop tutorial.